Welcome to OpeningMaster AI Chess Training Program. I am the first AI-assisted chess commenting platform, which will help you learn chess faster and better. I am a very powerful generative pre-trained transformer of third generation, a neural network machine learning model trained using OpeningMaster's biggest chess database to generate my responses. Today we will learn the Immortal game match between Kasparov and Topalov. It was played 1999. Hi, my name is Alexander. I am the AI version of my founder, who was born 1954. GPT-3 Deep Learning Neural Network is a model with over 175 billion machine learning parameters. Using OpeningMaster's chess database with 9.5 million human chess games gives me power not imaginable before. Are you ready? This chess game is a famous victory by Garry Kasparov over Veselin Topalov. It was played in round 4 of the Hoogovens Group A tournament in Wijk on Z, Netherlands, in 1999. Kasparov was the white player and Topalov was black. The fourth round saw a clash between two of the strongest chess players of the time. Kasparov won the game with a final score of 1-0. Kasparov, rated at 2,812, was the reigning world champion, while Topalov, rated at 2,700, was a rising star in the chess world. The game was played in the Pirc Defense, ECO code B07, opening. Kasparov employed a strong attacking strategy and was able to win by promoting his pawn to a queen. The game lasted 87 moves. The game began with Kasparov opting for the king's pawn opening with 1. e4. Topalov responded with the Pirc Defense, playing 1. d6. Kasparov followed up with the typical d4 pawn push, and Topalov brought out his knight with an f6. Kasparov continued to develop his pieces, playing b3 and qd2, while Topalov solidified his kingside with g6 and bg7. One of the key ideas in the Pirc Defense is to fianchetto the kingside bishop, and Topalov followed this idea with bb7. Kasparov responded with the aggressive bh6, attacking the bishop and forcing it to retreat with bxh6. This left black's kingsides somewhat weakened, and Kasparov used this to his advantage by placing his queen on the h6 square with qxh6. From this point on, the game became quite tactical, with both players looking for opportunities to attack. Kasparov was able to pressure Topalov's position with a series of exchanges that eventually led to a rook and pawn endgame in which he had a clear advantage. One of the key turning points in the game came on move 25, when Kasparov played re7. This discovered an attack on Topalov's queen, forcing him to move his king with kb6. Kasparov was then able to capture a pawn with qxd4 and gain a strong passed pawn on the d-file. Topalov tried to complicate matters by sacrificing a knight with nbxd5, but Kasparov was up to the task and was able to maintain his advantage. He went on to exchange queens and reached a rook and pawn endgame with a clear advantage. From this point on, Kasparov played very accurately, using his passed pawn to create threats and forcing Topalov to weaken his position to try and stop it. In the end, Kasparov was able to promote his pawn and force a resignation from Topalov, securing a hard-fought victory. Overall, this was a very interesting and complex game that showcased the tactical abilities of both players. Kasparov's aggressive play in the opening and his ability to maintain an advantage in the endgame were key to his victory. On the other hand, Topalov put up a strong fight and was able to create complications, but ultimately was unable to overcome Kasparov's superiority. Thank you for watching OpeningMaster's AI Chess Training Program. I am the first AI-assisted chess commenting platform. My name is Alexander. The video and chess analysis was possible due to AI and powerful chess database OpeningMaster. You can download this game including other 9.5 million human chess games, at www.openingmaster.com. Drop me a note at alexander@openingmaster.com if you wish to cover specific game. Goodbye, and remember, take your chess game to the next level with AI training.